Edward, we have talked a lot about automation on our programming, and I know there's a great desire for automation in the SOC. So where do you think SOC automation was, and where do you think it is today?
I think it would be useful to revisit, maybe the different paradigms of automation. In my mind, like one way to automate historically is by what we call using robotic automation. So that's playbooks where you explicitly write out the ifs and else statements of what you want the automation to do.
It's not smart, it's just behaving on a very basic rule set.
Yes, it's kind of pre-programmed to repeat a certain sequence of tasks, logical steps. So that's kind of one form of automation has worked well for a lot of the different teams. But one big challenge with that automation is it's very rigid.
It's got to come in the form that you want it every time, and you got to spit it out in the same format every time.
And one challenge with that is it just takes a lot of effort to develop it.
Where do you think we are now with automation, which I'm assuming that the way large language models are operating, that we can do a heck of a lot more. Where do you think we are today, and is that setting us up for a brighter future?
Yeah, absolutely. I think most folks have already played with ChatGPT of some sort. I think everybody has experienced how without a single hard-coded rule behind the scene, large language models such as GPTs used by ChatGPTs can seemingly be able to answer and perform a wide variety of analytical tasks, from writing code to answering questions. So this capability, I do see it being a technical enabler to allow us to have a step function in the amount and the volume of tasks that we can technically automate within the SOCs.
We're going to be talking about this very issue this Friday on Super Cyber Friday. That's July 19th, 2024. Our topic is hacking SOC automation. Here's everything you need to know.